series. Today I just want to tell you to never give up when things become difficult or when you feel that you have lost it all. Okay? Because I want you to know that the man who rebuilt himself fears nothing, because he has already confronted the challenges that once held him back. Okay? Through adversity, you will gain clarity about who you are and your capability. You will understand that growth often requires discomfort. Okay? Pain means that you are doing something that will be better. Okay? He has learned to navigate uncertainty with resilience. Okay? I want you to know that each setback becomes a lesson, shaping your character and strengthening your resolve. Don't give up. Don't give up. Because by reconstructing your mindset, okay, you will replace self-doubt with confidence. Your transformation was not just external, but rooted deeply in self-awareness and purposeful intention. Okay? In other words, people say you have been battle-tested. When things are very rough, don't give up, my friend. Don't give up. You are battle-tested. You will build something that will last the test of time. Okay? That fear that once controlled you has lost its power. Okay? You have already endured the difficult process of rebuilding. And that experience of rebuilding yourself, okay, will give you the opportunity to discover the unwavering sense of inner stability. Okay? In other words, people say we learn from our mistake, we build from what we have learned. I want you to learn from your mistake. You may have made mistakes, but learn from them. Don't give up. Don't succumb to unnecessary pressure. Know that nothing good comes easy. Keep pushing hard. Keep working hard. Because knowledge you get through your experience cannot be surpassed by human interaction. Don't listen to what someone is telling you that this will not work. The knowledge you gained through what you have done is organic. Okay? It cannot be surpassed by human opinion, and you will be successful. Thank you, and remain steadfast in everything you do. Keep your hands clean. Work hard. You'll be successful.